read about all of the pros and cons of working out in different time slots, pero I think the best time would be This episode is brought to you by Paras Catering and Events. Check out their Facebook page and see all the excellent customer feedback. You can reach them at 0917-844-4470 and look for Miss Jubian Paras. Alright, welcome mga Kalifit for a very short episode. We're now here in Guagua Mansion. So may ongoing photo shoot ngayon yung client namin over there. So I think it's about 5 in the afternoon na. So ano ba topic ngayon? Ang topic ngayon is when is the right time to train? Okay, so is it in the morning, is it in the lunch, afternoon, evening? Well, in my case, sa palagay ko, mga gabi na ako makapag-workout nito after namin makauwi. So, I've been working out then in the evening for quite some time na rin since I went on from being a corporate guy to an entrepreneur. Pero actually, naikutan ko na eh. Nag-try ko na mag-workout in the morning, nag-try ko na mag-workout ng lunchtime, in the afternoon, and ito nga, in the evening. So, more or less, nakita ko na yung pagkakaiba and advantages and disadvantages ng mga different time slots na yun. Well, you can read about all of the pros and cons of working out in different time slots, pero I think the best time would be kung ano yung magiging consistent para sa'yo. There's not a tell-all na time slot na ito yung the best time to work out or this is not the best time to work out. It actually depends on the schedule of the person itself. Eh kung pipilitin mong mag-workout in the morning, eh, it won't make you consistent enough, di ba? Or sa gabi ka mag-workout kasi after all your chores and after all your work, eh, doon ka mag-workout. Pero at that time, pagod na pagod ka na, you're exhausted, di ba? In my case, there was a point na I wanted to work out in the evening as a sort of release. Kumbaga, kahit pagod na ako from office, once I hit the gym, it's my releasing phase, or it's my time to release all the stress in the office. Na-experience ko rin naman yung mag-workout in the morning, and I felt na I was so energized during that point kasi nga first thing to do is to work out, and I felt na I have already accomplished a lot kasi I was already able to get my workout done. So yun yung isa sa mga advantages nun. Pero regardless of what your time slot is, as long as you're able to make it consistent in your training, whether it's in the morning, it's in the lunchtime, or is it in the evening or later part of the day, bottom line is, if you can stick with it, then stay with it. I think that's the best advice na pwede kong maibigay for those na nag-train. So yun, check out ko ulit yung client namin kung tapos na sila sa photoshoot. We'll be seeing you again guys in the next episode. Stay safe always mga Kalifit.